Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have here a camping toilet. I'm going to show you guys what this is. This is a toilet. I'm in front of the RV here. What are you doing the RV poopers full? Well, you need a little toilet. Or if you're just going out for a day, tenting where you sit the kids outside or something, you need this. So let's check this out and see how it is and how it works. Hopefully it's not too complex. Need the kids to be able to figure this one out. So let's see. It comes with some bags for poop. And it goes like this. What's this do here? Let's see, these all snap into place, it looks like here. Snap, snap, snap. This one here came off. There. And we have our snap in stuff there. This goes on top. And look at that, we got our little camping toilet. Here's a little bag to keep it in when we're not using it. And then here are the little bags. Let's see what these little bags look like. So just them little trash bags. So we'll just take one off somehow. Where do you think is it perforated? Right there. So there we go. And open it up. So we'll take this off, put this on, wrap it around there. And now when we use the toilet, when we're camping and use the toilet, we use our toilet and do our business, and then take the bag and throw it away. So, seems like it's gonna be good. It'll be better than sitting on the floor or just squatting the whole time. Let's see how much weight this will hold. I can sit on it. There's my full, what am I, 185 pounds? Yeah, that'll work. Okay, I like it, thumbs up.